On to question 2 of the 2016 C4 paper. This one was the binomial expansion. Not too difficult. This one, it asks us to expand 1 over root 1 plus 2x up to x squared. So, of course, write it in index form first. Bring it upstairs. That's why I have a negative power. And change the square root for the power of a half. So my value of n is minus a half, and my x term is here. It's 2x, okay? Then just write out the binomial expansion formula and put in those values. So it's 1 plus nx plus n minus 1, all x squared over 2 factorial. Now subbing in my values for n and x gives this, and then you just do a little bit of mental math. I always find it better to do it in our head. Minus a half 2x is 1 minus x. I've got a 2 and a 2 on the bottom, which is 8. And I've got a 2 squared on top, which is 4. The 4 of the 8 cancels to give a 2. So I'm left with plus 3x squared over 2. No problems there. And of course, to get the valid range, which is worth a mark, you reciprocate the coefficient of x, mod x it, with an inequality. So mod x is less than a half. Easy 3 marks there. Second part of the question says, use your expansion to find an approximate value for 1 root of this equation. Well, of course, we've just expanded 1 over root 1 over 2x, and they want us to now use 6 of them. So there was my expansion. I'm going to multiply it by the 6 and put it equal to what they've put on the right-hand side of the equal sign there. Multiply out by that 6, and you get the following. Let me just move a bit of paper. So I've got 6 minus 6x, 6 is rating over 2, plus 9x squared equals 4 plus 15x minus x squared. Tidy all of that up. Bring the minus x squared over, becomes a plus 10x squared. Bring that over, becomes a minus 21x. Bring that over, becomes a minus. 6 minus 4 is plus 2 equals 0. Bog standard quadratic. And it factorizes this following. 10x minus 1 and x minus 2. So that offers us 2 solutions, 2 roots, x equals 1/10 or x equals plus 2. However, the reason the question said for 1 root of the equation is because you've worked out in the first part of the question that mod x must be less than a half, so we can't have x equals 2, therefore the answer they was looking for was 1/10. Not bad for 5 marks.